Alright, just want to update on the strut replacement. So I got the BC Racing strut in. Got the two bolts back on. Tight screw down. And got the new Lincoln installed. So I just need to hand tie. I installed the Lincoln face this way because the aftermarket one's actually a little bigger than the original one. See, you see the size differently. So I used to face this way out, but to put it the other way and get this, tie up the screw there. Looks to be alright. Looks like it's clearance. You just have to put the wheels on. See if it's touching anything. I don't think it touched anything. Just like the hub assembly here, right in the center, so it should cover the entire wheel spec. I don't think it's gonna rub here, but we're gonna try on that. Yeah, so we got that all in. Still need to adjust the ride height, so just loosen this up. This is the preload. You just leave it the way it is. Yeah, so and so we got that snuck in, and that should do it. Looks good. So fingers in, everything looks clean. And I have to remove this bottom caliper, move it up in order to clear this brake line. So I install this with the ball sliding this way instead of coming this way, which this one ball is hit this brake line here as you move it. So I don't know why somebody did that, but anyhow, so we just get the ball coming straight on the right side to the left, and that should clear this brake line here, and just kind of snuck in this brake line right in this supporting bracket hole. Yeah. I don't think there's anything much here, but just kind of hold it in place as it dries so it's not caught up between the wheel. But other than that, yeah, it looks clear. I'll go ahead and get this top button up, and then we'll go ahead and drop the car. And we probably just have to see how low it is or how high it is to adjust it. I would say probably around that much, about 2.5 inches off the ground. But other than that, thanks for watching, guys. Looks like I'm all set to go. Have a good day. Bye bye.